Let's start by installing Python. So simply go on Google, write Python download, click on this first link of website python.org. Just choose your computer. It may be use operating system of Windows or Mac or Linux. For me it is Windows. Scroll a little bit and choose your type of Windows. So for me it's 64-bit, and it automatically download as you see. Then let's go and install Anaconda. Just search on Google Anaconda download. Choose this website of anaconda.org with a green circle icon. Just click on this link, then scroll a little bit. Simply you can accept or reject these cookies. Then you don't need to fill all of this. Just click on download Anaconda. Then here you need to submit your email only, and just click on this submit button. Scroll a little bit, then you choose your operating system. For me is Windows. Then I click on this link, and then automatically it start being downloaded. Now we can start Python. Just click on run. If it is your first time to start Python, you will click next. For me, already Python is installed on my laptop, so you can repair, you can modify, it's up to you. So let me cancel this, and then I come to install Anaconda. Then I can click next, and then I install. Wait a small moment, then click next. We may launch this. It come up with Jupyter notebook and different tools you will see like spider. Then click on start menu. You may search Anaconda navigator. Just click here, then wait a little bit. This will open the menu of Anaconda navigator. Then scroll a little bit to Jupyter notebook, then click on launch. It will automatically open your browser, your default browser, and you can scroll. You can create a new notebook, or for me I have a notebook. Then I can click it and open automatically in my browser. Let's see Google Colab. Just go on Google and search Google Colab, then click on this first link of Google Colab. Wait a small moment. If it is your first time to use Google Colab, you simply need to make a login with your Google email. Just click create a new notebook and you start type your codes. So this Google Colab come up with all pre-installed data science libraries. So thanks for watching. The next video is for NumPy. Subscribe for weekly Python tips.